Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve user onboarding with WalkMe, beginner guide step by step clearly. User onboarding is crucial for the success of any application or platform. WalkMe is a powerful tool designed to enhance user onboarding experiences. To start, create an account on the WalkMe website. Once you've registered, log into your WalkMe dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore available features. Next, identify the key areas in your application that require onboarding. These may include complex functionalities or processes that users often find confusing. Develop a clear onboarding strategy that aligns with your business goals. Begin by creating a new WalkMe project. This project will serve as the central hub for your onboarding content. Next, use the WalkMe editor to design your onboarding flows. The editor allows you to create step-by-step walkthroughs for users. Start by adding a welcome message to greet new users. Continue by guiding users through essential features with tooltips and pop-ups. Ensure that each step is clear and concise. Use visuals or animations to enhance user engagement. Once you've created your onboarding content, preview it to ensure everything works smoothly. Test your onboarding flows from the perspective of a new user. Make adjustments as necessary to improve clarity and usability. After finalizing your onboarding process, publish the project. Monitor user interactions with WalkMe analytics tools. Analyze the data to understand user behavior during onboarding. Identify areas where users may struggle or disengage. Use this information to refine your onboarding content continuously. Regularly update your onboarding materials to reflect any changes in your application. Encourage feedback from users to further enhance their onboarding experience. By following these steps, you can significantly improve user onboarding with WalkMe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.